In this video, I'm going to review the stock trade alert that we sent out for GEO, for our stock trade alerts service here at Stock Market Guides. You can see the trade alert here. It was posted before the market opened. So this is one of our pre-market alerts. And so it's sent out before the market opens with the idea that you could, if you want to follow the trade alert, you could buy the stock at the opening bell. And you can even set up a buy order before the market opens and just set it up in such a way that it automatically executes when the market opens. And you can see here this was based on one of our RSI signal strategies. RSI is a technical indicator in the stock market. And you can see what the results are. So what we did is we went back in history and we looked at GEO, and every time it's set up for this particular strategy, and this is how it performed according to our backtesting research. And you can see it's 58 wins, 46 losses, and an annualized return of 49.6%. So let's look at the trade and see how it turned out. So this is a chart for GEO. It's a daily chart. So each price bar represents 1 day of price activity. And it called for an entry on May the 16th at the opening bell. And this right here is May the 16th. And I say that with a little chuckle because this one is just basically ended up being the absolute perfect timing. You can see here that this thing had been coming down, and the concept of the RSI trade is that you buy when the stock may be oversold. And so here it's been coming down really hard, and then it's kind of like buy low with anticipation that it might rebound. And this rebounded beautifully right from the time of our trade alert, and it called for an exit on May the 23rd at the opening bell. And you can see this right here is May the 23rd at the opening bell. The timing couldn't have been any better. I mean, from almost the moment from entry of the trade, it was just green the whole way up. And then once the trade was exited, once they're called for an exit on the trade, then the stock let up and started going back down again. So the exit was right here, the entry was right here. That is one beautiful trade. Now, they definitely all don't turn out that way. How do I know they don't turn out that way? You can see it right here in the backtest results. 46 times that this trade setup occurred in the past, it did not end up in a victory. So our service isn't designed to give you a direct path to riches. It's designed to give you information that might put the odds in your favor. This particular trade ended up working out quite well. It generated a 12.26 return over a 1 week trade, which is phenomenal, but they definitely are not all like that. And this gives you a better idea of historically, over time, historically, how has this trade performed. And of course, there's no guarantee what's going to happen in the future. This is just information that's intended to help and educate investors and traders. If you have any questions about our trade alerts or just about the stock market, you can reach out to us anytime. Our email address is support@stockmarketguides.com.